Hey, what's up, guys? This is Volvopedia guy. Today we'll be replacing the steering wheel, I guess, emblem. This is the airbag right here. So now they sell the emblem itself. Now you can replace it. Back then it used to be the whole airbag. So this is the new emblem. Actually, I already removed it. So this is the new emblem. This is the old one. So it will peel off sometimes. The way to do it, use a razor blade. Let me see. This type, and start to go in the corners, lifting up the old emblem. So as soon as you get a little corner lift up, you can do with your fingernail or a metal pick, and try to pull it off. Sometimes the chrome will peel off also, which doesn't matter. I mean, this is gonna cover it. It's because of the glue is so strong, and we'll take it off. So it should be clean. You can use rubbing alcohol and clean it. And let's put the new one. This is a part number. So probably you can find it online or go to a Volvo dealership. Price, I don't know how much is it. So I don't think it's that expensive. Just put it on. Apply some force. And it should be it. So remember, use a razor blade. Lift up one little corner. Once you have that, you can use like a metal pick, or I use my fingernails in this case, and it worked. So it's pretty easy to do. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.